Rightio, let's do a pit walk. Whatever date it is. 30th November 2019. We have some new racers here. We have John with his super duper Cox ride on, which goes really well. Not exactly too sure what's in this one. Some sneakily little hidden motorbike motor in there. Goes very well. We have Michael, who's hiding over there with his racer. This one's a little Honda copy 212cc electric start with a torque converter out of a Rancher 2 chassis. Night Rider, there you go. There's mine. I've just put a new carby on. It's coughing and farting and carrying on all pork chop. It's all good. This is the way to do it. Come in a camper van. We've got Chris with his new mower. He's a new racer, bringing it out for the first time. Working out all of the dramas and everything like that with a new build. What's this, a 250, Chris? 250, yeah. So yeah, there we go. Oh, grab one in a sec. Rodney's got a new 4-stroke motor in his mower. He likes the 4-stroke better than the 2-stroke. I'll see if I can convince him to go to a mower motor. That's where all the power is in a mower motor.
We're discussing how well we can go faster if we had better machinery and better drivers.
Yes, better drivers is a good way.
Yeah, driver error.
Driver error. There's a lot of it.
It isn't a 440 error. Driver.
Pete, with his, I think it's is this a GY6 motor in this, Pete?
Yes.
That GY6 motor in there. And Steve-O. And I think this is a little 125cc pit bike motor, I think. Jody's revised mower. Got a different motor, I think, and he's gone to right angle drive. Brad with his little 2-stroke. He really wants to go to a mower motor, doesn't he? That's cool. How you liking your new mower there, Jody? Sweet. And Shirley, our flaggy today. Say hello, Shirley.
Hello.
And Jamie's out test running his mower. 600cc something or other. Goes like a cut cat. Anyway, we're enjoying ourselves. Have a good day, peoples.